4. All right, this is the beautiful stuffing cornbread, Mommy's homemade croutons, herbed croutons.
Made from French boulet.
Made from the French boulet with celery, parsley, a little bit of bell pepper. Mama didn't put that much in this year. And
cornbread.
And of course, cornbread. That goes without saying, because we don't play.
So I'm going to start stirring this up and add in as I need to. Does that suit you? Okay.
Everything just looks so fresh. Looking for a delicious cornbread recipe? Check out my vegan cornbread video right here, and it's great even for turkey eaters. I'm so thankful for you, Mommy.
Thank you, baby. I'm thankful for you too.
So to recap, at this stage, Mom is mixing cornbread, her herbed croutons, which were made from a French boule, celery, parsley, and bell pepper. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to click the like button and hit the notifications bell.
I think that may be good on there. I'll add a few more ingredients. Celery, just a bit. Okay, I think that'll do it.
That looks lovely.
Then I'll just add seasoning, and then when I get some broth, it goes over this, and then that's when it goes in the oven. Yeah.
At this point, Mom has added broth to her mixture, making everything finer and ready to set. So now she's going to prepare to put it in the oven. Stuffing. There's no funny business. You're not
guessing
and looking skeptically at a spoonful. Just fresh with beautiful greenery.
Yeah.
And now Mommy's gonna put this back in the oven to set it a little more.
Just cook it all in. All the crisp vegetables will be baked in.
Very Mommy.
You're welcome.
And now this goes in the oven. Okay, everybody, that's a peek inside my mom's recipe for stuffing. I hope you enjoy this. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the next one.